you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet? It's time to take control of your finances and embrace frugal living. In this video, we'll show you how to make frugal living work for you, so you can achieve financial success. The first step to mastering frugal living is creating a budget. Track your income and expenses and set realistic goals. Allocate your money wisely, prioritize your needs over wants, and watch your savings grow. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions, reduce eating out, and make your own coffee instead of buying it every day. These small changes can make a big difference in your monthly budget. Plan your meals in advance and stick to your grocery list. Avoid impulse purchases and reduce food waste. Cooking at home is not only healthier, but saves you money too. Your wallet and waistline will thank you. Utility bills by being mindful of your energy consumption. Turn off lights when not in use, unplug electronics, and adjust your thermostat. Small adjustments can lead to significant savings over buying second-hand items like furniture, clothing, and books. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and garage sales often offer excellent deals. By giving these items a second chance, you'll save money. Get creative and try your hand at DIY projects. Whether it's repairing a leaky faucet or upcycling old furniture, DIY can save you money while adding personal flair to your living space. So, unleash your inner, make saving a priority. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account and watch your money grow. Saving even a small amount each month will help you build an emergency fund and achieve your financial goals. Frugal living is not about deprivation, it's about making smarter choices with your money. By budgeting, cutting back on expenses, planning meals, saving on utilities, embracing second-hand and DIY projects, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you achieve financial success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. See you in the next one.